Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure distance using Google Maps between two locations. It's really simple and easy. All you have to do is launch the Google Maps application and then navigate to where you want to measure the distance. So let's say I want to measure the distance between these 2 points here. This Faisal Town and Faisal Hills. So these 2 points, what you need to do is put a temporary pin at the starting point by long pressing accurately. Of course, the more you zoom in, the more accurately you can. So once you place a temporary pin, the next thing you want to do is swipe up and then you will see the option to measure distance. So tap on that and then that's going to turn that into a temporary pin. Now all you have to do is move, add a point and then move. You want to add as many points as you can. So let's continue. If you want to go further, the more you add points, it tells us what distance we are covered from beginning. If you have corners like this, so just add points here and then you can go. So when you are done, so as you can see we are now 7.1 meter here. So that's how you can measure distance using Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.